Hey, Finn, can you say hi to Nana? Finn.
Nana.
And say Papa.
Papa.
Can you tell Nana and Papa what a monkey says? Can you tell Nana and Papa what the doggy says?
Oh.
Can you tell Nana and Papa what the kitty cat says? Can you tell Nana and Papa what the dinosaur says? Yeah. Can you say Bubba? That's what Bubba says. Like a dinosaur. Say, oh, you got bananas? Mmm.
No.
No? All done? You want some chocolate milk? Careful.
Baba.
Can you say Bubba? No, say Bubba. Can you say Sissy? Not what do they say? Where is Sissy? Where's Mama? Are you a dinosaur? Where's Finn? Who's Finn? Who's Finny? Can you count for me? Say bye-bye.